The fundamental law of the universe is this. Watch Christopher's Toy Review.
Hey guys, I was just playing Roblox, so why don't we do a quick tabletop toy review. Now, I've got some cool school buses here I got from Amazon. This one is in his box. We don't know where the box is for this bus. Now, here are the two buses we're going to review. Let's get started. So, we're going to start off with this one. Now, this one, I got it just recently today, and I got that one yesterday. Let me save the package. Now, the box for this bus is in really good condition. Now, the doors open, as you can see. They're kind of hard to close once you try to get it. You know, I kind of got the hang of doing this. There we go.
Okay, well, let me just say,
There we go.
that might be a toy that requires a break-in, right?
Yeah, it requires a break-in.
Now, that's the old vintage-style doors that fold in.
Yeah.
That's what I remember seeing on school buses in the 70s and 80s.
Yep, and here, the hood opens on this bus. Go. Now, we could do Now we could do this bus. Now, you might know this is made by Malia. This is a Malia bus, and the doors open in a different way. They just pop right out. It makes lights and sounds.
Please get in the school bus. The school bus is going to leave right now. Please fasten your safety belt.
Now, while that's playing, we could show this. The hood opens on this bus, too. Stop sign could go out.
Get off
As you
the
can
school
see,
bus. Have a nice day.
it could go out. Now, this is one of those buses with the back opens. And it made lights and sounds as you saw, and this is the other noise it makes. Just press on the top to make it do this. As you can see, the back tail lights come on. Now, as you can see, this bus has the hood mirrors on it. And now I know it came yesterday, as I might have told you already. And it looks like a C2. It looks like a C2 bus. And again, these are not how doors open in real life because this is from a different country. So we found the box for the Malia bus. As you can see, it says dreams becomes true, die cast metal and plastic. But it said it was the Malia, so we call it the Malia bus. Put this aside.
Now, what kind of metal is this made out of?
This is made of aluminum.
Yeah, kind of unusual. It's not the typical die-cast pot metal toy. It's actually aluminum, which makes it lighter and probably a lot stronger.
Yep. And this bus cost around, I'd say $20 or $23.
Right, they had a good promotion on it, but yeah, regularly I would say between $20 and $25.
And this bus cost $8, so that means this bus was cheaper than this bus.
And an interesting company that makes this one, what are they called? Do you remember?
They're called Zugerland.
Yeah, interesting.
Yeah. And as you can see, it on the bottom, this box, the box is has things on both sides and this one doesn't. Now, this plastic is coming off of this box, and there's the bus right there. It has eyes. There's stop, and there's the price tags on it. It says Zugerland die-cast metal action, open door and hood. So, yeah, you can see a car right there, school bus stop ahead.
Right,
sign.
there's another one on Amazon that looks just like this, but it doesn't have an opening door from what I could tell. It looked like
How do you know it doesn't open the door?
Well, it looked like there was no door at all there, but it looks very similar. And interestingly enough, this Malia, there are a number of buses that appear to be the same item, branded differently. And the price is slightly different on some of them. The one that I got was the most expensive one, simply because it actually had larger dimensions than some of the other ones, and this was the one that Christopher wanted.
Yeah.
But it's a little bit confusing with these Chinese toys.
Yeah, and no other bus has these hood mirrors. No other toy bus
Okay.
has these mirrors like this. Now, I would recommend these for kids who like school buses because they're really cool. This is for ages 3 and up. This bus, and this is, and I'm 7 years old. This bus is for ages. Let me see if it has an age on it. Yep, ages 3 and up.
Okay, but realistically though, would a 3-year-old be a good fit with a toy like this?
No.
Probably not. There's a lot of almost model type detail that
Like the mirrors, the
yeah.
hood mirrors and stuff, and the and that stop sign right there.
Yeah, I would say maybe ages 6 and up.
Or should you say 7 and up?
Yeah.
Because I'm 7 years old.
There you go. Okay, and as we know, school buses are not really easy to find in some of the
And,
big box retail stores.
Some interesting facts. I bought one at Tuesday morning, and it was like vintage looking. It was kind of like this, but it was different. It was bigger, and it wasn't the same. But time to wrap it up, guys. We did a couple bloopers there. Time to wrap it up, guys. Hope you like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video. Check out some of our other videos on YouTube, including some school bus videos. I don't know if this is our first one or not, but yep. See you guys in the next one.
Please get in the school bus. The school bus is going to leave right now. Please fasten your safety belt.
Okay, so finally we're gonna wrap it up. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you look at our other videos. Hope you enjoy. And see you in the next video.
Cut. Any day now. Cut.
Oh, that's what the bus is built.
You gotta hear the whole thing. Oh my god, I can see that would drive some parents kind of crazy. Maybe.
What an interesting fact is that I go to. You're not supposed to say that. So, time to wrap it up now. But before we wrap up, Why don't we, okay.
Cut.